My name's Tiu-Lim. I specialize in hematology and oncology. And I feel like with my experience in the medical field, it's always challenged me to become, a better person, a better version of myself. And really interacting with my patients, I've seen a lot of different perspectives and outlooks on life, which I feel like have really influenced me and the way I treat my future patients. I got to stay in California for all my schooling. I went to UCLA for undergrad, and then I switched sides to USC for medical school. And I loved USC so much that I stayed there for both residency and fellowship. Funny story is, I actually was born in Torrance Memorial. The South Bay community really has made me who I am today. I felt that, passion to come return and serve the community that made me who I am. The Torrance Memorial Physician Network is really a great addition to the medical care here that we provide, because really medicine is not just one person treating the patient, but it's very multidisciplinary. We need the oncologist, we need the radiation oncologist, we need the surgeons, and we all have tumor board discussions where we meet at least once a week to discuss all the patients that we have so that we can really come up with the best plan personalized for each patient. I feel that I create a safe space for patients and their loved ones when they come see me. It's really scary, walking to a building that says Hunt Cancer Center and people can get overwhelmed. But I really take the time to allow the patients to ask all the questions that they have and feel heard. Another thing is I really respect my patients. I understand that everyone comes from different upbringings, different socioeconomic backgrounds, so they all have different perspectives on life. And I understand that, the standard of care might not always fit in with what a person values. And I take the time to kind of go over all the options with the patient and come up with the most personalized plan for that patient. So really that relationship that's developed through time and visit after visit between the physician and the patient really helps me mold and treat my patients better, and also helps us celebrate in all the victories together, but also, console each other when there are some setbacks. Every patient is more than their diagnosis. I think being an oncologist, of course, the most rewarding is achieving remission for a patient, but it's really those small moments of being able to be with the patient as they go on through life and reach their milestones, like when patients become parents, when they graduate from school, when they're able to finish that marathon that they've always wanted to. I think it's those small moments that, for me, make this job so worthwhile. I am Dr. Tiu-Lim with the Torrance Memorial Physician Network.